Black Sea snowstorms, Batumi buried, same latitude as Rome and on the coast, probably a historic event for the city on the Georgian coast, February 25, 2025. Batumi, a large city in Georgia located on the eastern coast of the Black Sea, is facing a bad weather emergency that has no precedent in recent decades. The freezing air that continues to flow from Russia, flowing over the surface of the sea, is enriched with humidity and unloads abundant snowfall on the leeward areas, the well-known effect known by the American term lake effect snow, but which in this specific case could be called sea effect snow. It is not a very rare event. It also happens on our Adriatic Sea when the frost arrives from the east and causes snowfall up to the coast. The atypicality of the phenomenon underway in the Middle East is that it has continued for days and days without ever decreasing. Thus, the Georgian city that is located at the same latitude as Rome, and also on the sea, is literally buried by snow with many critical issues related above all to traffic. The thickness of the snow cover has reached 70 centimeters in some areas of the city.